Welcome, my name is Dorota Trupp. I'm a qualified nutritionist and today I have for you raw green soup with prawns. This is a cold dish. It's an ideal starter soup. You can also have it as a main if you add some protein to it. So for all the lovers of alkalizing foods and raw foods, that is the dish for you. It is actually one of my favorite, and a lot of my patients and family members love this too. And if you try this today, you will love it as well. So it's extremely easy to prepare. You literally cutting the vegetables and blending them in a blender with a bit of water and season it and serve it with prawns. That dish literally takes you 10 minutes to prepare. So yeah, you won't stand long in a kitchen. So I'm utilizing green paprika and cucumbers, as well as avocado, onions and carrots. You can use it for garnish, but you don't have to. You can blend it as well through. You can also use peas. That's another green beautiful vegetable that will add the bulk, but that should be totally enough. You want to use a zest of lemon juice and garlic. So I've chosen prawns, but you can serve it with fish as well as cold meats. However, I think prawns are really going well with raw soup. Okay, so we'll be adding oil into a blender, avocado, cucumbers. So that dish will have a lot of minerals specifically. So alkalizing diet is known for abundance of minerals as well as vitamins that has the potential to alkalize your system when you have a lot of those in your diet. So I use some of that onion and some I might leave just for garnishing, and I'm using the carrots and herbs. So I've got here spring onions and parsley. That goes very well with the dish. And obviously garlic and lemon juice. Now, mix it with some water. And you can add water to the blender depending upon how much you need. Depends how much veggies you put through. Okay, let's start. So after blending it throughout well, test your soup and see if it needs any seasoning. So that needs a bit of a salt and pepper. And otherwise, it's delicious. It's got a good consistency. Blend it through again. I wouldn't add any more water anymore, but you can dilute it further if you wish so. There you go. It's got a nice punchy flavor. Perfect. This is ready to be served. Literally, it's taken me 10 minutes to get ready from start to finish. Ideally, you want to eat it in a warmer climate or warmer season, because it's raw. So you might find that you're not feeling satisfied when you're eating raw foods during the winter, but as a starter dish, that would be ideal. Now, I've added some cooked prawns and garnished this with some parsley and maybe a touch of a pepper. There you go. That is healthy, alkalizing, really tasty, and also presentable. So try it at home. Thank you so much.